Good morning, everyone. Thank you. A couple of responses. Everybody's wide awake. Ready to go for a boat ride? Excellent. Nobody stayed out too late last night or anything? Because we are underway now. There's no turning back. Hopefully you're on the right boat. Upper Waterton Lake, you see me go around these two yellow markers. Those denote a shallow spot. Then we're going to change our course and head almost due south to the headwaters of the Waterton Lake's chain. So continue looking off the right-hand side, folks. That's where we're headed. Normally, at the start of our cruise, we're around those yellow markers and we get blasted in the face with wind gusts that regularly hit 60 miles an hour. 60 mile an hour, 100 kilometer per hour winds. If you don't believe me, past the ones here on Mount Bertha, off the right-hand side, the last avalanche that came down was in the mid-1980s. And it came right down to the... Those are good places, those avalanche chutes, those are good places to keep an eye out for wildlife. Because I'm sure if you look around, you recognize that the forest is quite thick, isn't it? It's a very dense, overgrowth forest around us here at the moment. And that makes it a little more difficult to spot wildlife. Avalanche chutes. And what kinds of critters do we see from the boat? Well, we see a lot of bears. Generally black bears. That's usually what we see because the black bears prefer the lower montane forest, from about the midway point of the mountains down to lake level. The grizzlies, on the other hand, prefer white. Absolutely. Excellent. The mountain goats are white, snow white in color with short, spiky, jet black horns poking up out of the tops of their heads. The mountain sheep, on the other hand, are a light brown, a tan color, and the males. And caught a quick glimpse of one of those real big kitty cats that we have here in the area. That's right, the mountain lion, the cougar, ghost cat,